First one, Lyman series. Lyman series. First one, Lyman series. Lyman series. Diagram. Diagram. These are energy levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are energy levels and values. These are energy level. If electron jumps from 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1. Group of lines are called series, Lyman series. First line H alpha, second line H beta. First line of Lyman series H alpha, second line H beta, H gamma, H delta. Upper level Lyman series diagram. Upper level N2. Upper level N2 values 2 upper level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in so on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infinity. Upper level N2 value, higher energy level, lower level N1, 1. Lyman series diagram. Upper level values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lower level N1 value 1. First line of Lyman series. First line of Lyman series. H alpha. First line of Lyman series H alpha from N2 to N1, N2 2 to 1. First line of Lyman series 2 to 1. Upper level value 2, lower level value 1, H alpha line. Second line of Lyman series. Second line of Lyman series H beta N2 1. That means 3 to 1. Second line of Lyman series 3 to 1. Third line of Lyman series H gamma N2 to N1, 4 2 to 1. Fourth line of Lyman series H delta N2 N1, 5 to 1. Last line of Lyman series H infinitive N2 to N1, infinity to 1. Last line of Lyman series. Energy H alpha, H beta, H gamma and H delta. These are lines of Lyman series. Energy difference delta E energy difference maximum, energy difference maximum, energy difference maximum, H delta, energy difference maximum 5 to 1, large energy difference in H delta, H alpha 2 to 1, small energy gap present, small energy gap present, H alpha, small energy gap present, H beta, when compared to H alpha, H beta energy gap is maximum. In Lyman series, H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta, maximum energy difference, H delta. Delta E, H nu, delta E is equal to H nu, H Planck's constant, nu frequency. Energy difference or energy gap is directly proportional to frequency. Frequency maximum, H delta, frequency maximum H delta. Delta E, H, nu means C by lambda, nu equal to C by lambda. Energy gap, energy difference is inversely proportional to wavelength, maximum, large wavelength, maximum, large wavelength, H alpha. Energy difference, frequency, wavelength, H alpha, H beta, H gamma and H delta. Note, Lyman series of hydrogen spectrum, lies in UV region, ultraviolet region, order of energy UV, visible, infrared, visible range 3800 angstrom to 7600 angstroms, visible range, UV region. Okay, Lyman series, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, energy gap, frequency and wavelength. Calculate the wavelength of first line of Lyman series. Calculate the wavelength of first line of Lyman series. First line of Lyman series, first line means N2 value, N2 to N1, upper level to lower level 1. First line of Lyman series. N2 to N1 1 value. Formula of wavelength, 1 by lambda RH Z square 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Wavelength RH means Rydberg constant. Rydberg constant, RH means Rydberg constant. The value of R 109677 centimeter inverse. Z means atomic number. Z means atomic number. Z means atomic number. Z means atomic number. Atomic number Z means N1, N2, N2 upper level, N1 lower level. 1 by lambda Rydberg constant, or calculate the wavelength of first line of Lyman series of hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen atomic number 1. 1 square. 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. N1 means 1, N2 means 2. 1 by lambda R 1 by lambda R 4 3 by R. Lambda equal to 1 by lambda 3R by 4. Lambda is equal to 4 by 3R. Wavelength. Calculate the wavelength of first line of Lyman series of hydrogen.